A very good day to you students. I am teacher Nazita Andrad and I will be teaching you EVS today. So today I will start with a small story. Once upon a time the body parts had a meeting. They all came together. They had a very important issue to discuss. They wanted to know who was the most needed out of all. Who was the most important body part? So the head, the shoulders, the ears, nose, eyes, lips, everyone came to the meeting. First the nose said, I am the most important because I help you breathe, I help you smell, and without me you would not be alive. The eye said, but I bring color to your life, I help you see and recognize things. That made the ears angry. It said, no, what are you saying? I am the most important because I help you hear. Without me, you would be deaf. And so the legs also did not want to be left behind. So what they did? They chimed in with their part. They said, but we carry your weight around. The whole body rests on us. We are very important. Well, the mouth said, I help you speak. Am I not important as well? I help you eat. The hands, who did not want to be left behind, said, but everything is done by using me. My fingers help you all stay clean. My fingers will help put food in the mouth. I am very important. Now during this time, the head, who was silent and thinking, chimed up. He said, wait, I don't think this is a good argument. We should not discuss this issue because I feel all of us are very important. Each of you have a role to play and each of you are very, very important. So finally they concluded that each body part was needed to help the body work properly. Without one, the other could not function. So today we will look at our body parts, and that is our main topic, our body. Now you must have figured out what are the different body parts by now, but we will look at this chart, and with the help of this chart we will name all the body parts. First we will look at the head. This is the head. The head has hair, a forehead which is above the eyebrows. These are the eyebrows. Then we have our eyes which help us see. Then our nose which helps us smell, breathe. Our ear, what does our ear do? It helps us listen. Then our mouth, and our mouth has lips and teeth and a tongue. The teeth help us chew good food and the tongue helps us taste that food and also to speak very well. Now we have a chin, a cheek, two cheeks and a neck which helps us to move our head from side to side. Now let's look at this part from the shoulders down, the torso part. We have the shoulders. Here you can see my shoulders. These are the shoulders. Then we have the chest. We have a stomach. We have a waist. Then the back and the hips. Our shoulders help us carry our school bag. Our chest helps us breathe. Our stomach helps us to store food and digest it. While our waist helps us to move from one side to the other. And our back helps support us. Now let's look at the arms or the hands. These are the arms. From here to here makes up the arm. And we have two arms. Our arms have the top part which is the arm, then the elbow over here, then the forearm which goes from the elbow to the joint wrist. Then we have our hands with one thumb and 4 fingers. We have a palm. This is the palm area. A thumb, a finger, and the finger has a nail. Everyone's finger has a nail, right? So what do we use our hands for? Can you tell me? Yes, we use our hands to work. It helps us do many difficult things. Right now I am using my hands to hold a ruler and to point it out. My fingers are gripping this ruler. Now let's look at the legs. The legs start from the hip, the waist to the bottom feet. These are the legs, the entire legs. We have the thighs, which is the topmost part. Then we have the knee. The knee is a joint which helps our legs to move. Then we have an ankle. The ankle helps the foot to move from side to side. We have a heel, foot and the toe. This helps us to maintain balance, to stand properly on our feet. Otherwise we would fall down. So it's a very important part. Now what do our legs help us do? We can run with our legs, we can stand up straight, we can walk, we can jump. There are many things that we can do. Sometimes there are more than 2 body parts that help us to achieve a small task or help us do something. For example, when we are skipping, when we skip, we use our hands to hold the skipping rope and we use our legs to jump. So together we are using 2 body parts. Or when we are eating, we use our hands to bring the food to our mouth and we use our teeth to chew the food. So now how do we take care of our body? Because our body is very important to us. We must bathe regularly, we must eat healthy food and we must exercise.